Welcome to Mkenya Yukei, your go-to resource for mastering the YouTube platform. Here we unravel the mysteries of YouTube, offering insights, strategies, and tips to help you navigate this digital landscape with ease. Whether you're a seasoned creator or a newcomer, Mkenya Yukei is dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge you need to thrive in the YouTube arena. Today we delve into the world of YouTube, exploring efficient ways to increase views and monetize your content. To increase your YouTube views, you first need to understand the YouTube algorithm. This algorithm is an intricate system that YouTube uses to decide which videos to recommend. It's like the secret sauce that determines the visibility of your content on the platform. So, what does it take to charm this algorithm and have it work in your favor? First, let's talk about watch time. This is the total amount of time viewers spend watching your videos. The longer the watch time, the more the algorithm perceives that your content is engaging and valuable. It's like telling YouTube, hey, people are loving this content and spending a lot of time on it. This prompts the algorithm to recommend your videos more often. Next, we have engagement. This includes likes, comments, shares, and even the number of times your video is added to a watch later list. It's all about how your viewers interact with your content. A video with high engagement tells YouTube that your content is not only watchable but also sparks conversation and interest. As a result, the algorithm is more likely to push your video to other viewers. Now let's talk about user experience. This is a bit more nuanced. It involves factors like how quickly viewers click on your video after seeing it, click-through rate, and how often viewers return to your channel. A high click-through rate and return viewers signal to YouTube that your channel is a go-to source for content, influencing the algorithm to favor your videos. Finally, don't underestimate the power of consistent and regular uploads. The algorithm loves channels that keep viewers coming back for more, and a steady stream of new content can help achieve that. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is not an enemy to conquer, but a tool to understand and work with. It's all about creating a positive viewer experience. The better the experience you provide, the more the algorithm will favor your content. By understanding and leveraging the YouTube algorithm, you can significantly boost your views. Content is king, and the same holds true for YouTube. If you want to reign supreme in the realm of YouTube, your content must be more than just good. It needs to be engaging, compelling, and above all, it needs to resonate with your target audience. Now let's imagine your YouTube channel as a restaurant. Your videos are the meals you serve and your viewers are the customers. If you want your customers to keep coming back, you don't just serve them any food. You serve them what they crave. The same principle applies to your YouTube content. You need to understand your audience's interests, their needs, their passions, and cater your content accordingly. But how do you do that? It's not as complex as it sounds. Start by doing a bit of research. Look at the kind of content your audience engages with the most. What are the common themes? What are the trending topics? Use this information to craft content that's not just high quality but also relevant and interesting to your target audience. And while you're at it, don't forget about variety. Just like a successful restaurant has a diverse menu, your YouTube channel should offer a range of content. This could be how-to videos, behind-the-scenes looks, interviews, or even funny skits. The key is to keep things fresh and exciting, so your viewers never know what they might find next time they visit. Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of storytelling. A well-told story can captivate an audience like nothing else. So when creating your content, try to weave a narrative that will draw your viewers in and keep them hooked till the end. And finally, remember to be authentic. People are drawn to authenticity, so let your unique voice shine through in your content. Show your audience who you are, what you stand for, and why they should care. Remember, engaging content is more likely to be shared, further increasing your views. So, invest your time and effort in creating content that not only attracts viewers, but also makes them want to hit that share button. It's a surefire way to increase your YouTube views and build a loyal following. Optimizing your video for SEO plays a crucial role in increasing views. In the vast world of YouTube, standing out can be a challenge. But, with the right SEO strategy, your videos can shine bright amid the digital noise. So let's delve into how you can optimize your video SEO to increase views. One of the first elements you should consider is your video title. It should be catchy, engaging, and, most importantly, it should include keywords that are relevant to your content. The trick is to think like your audience. What would they type into the search bar if they were looking for your video? Incorporate those phrases into your title, but remember, stick to 60 characters or less to avoid being cut off in search results. Next up, video descriptions. This is where you can really take advantage of keywords. A well-written description not only gives viewers a snapshot of your content but also helps YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about. A pro tip is to include the most important information and keywords in the first 3 lines, as these are what appear in YouTube's search results. Now let's talk about tags. Tags are like the invisible threads that connect your video to others like it. They help YouTube understand the context of your video and group it with similar content. So use relevant tags but avoid tag stuffing. If you're stuck on what tags to use, check out what successful YouTubers in your niche are using. Finally, we have keywords. Keywords are the backbone of SEO. They should be sprinkled throughout your title, description, and tags. To find the right keywords, use tools like Google Trends or YouTube Search Suggest feature. Remember, the more specific your keywords are, the better your chances of reaching the right audience. In summary, optimizing your video SEO is a combination of strategic title crafting, effective description writing, wise use of tags, and careful keyword selection. It's a bit of a juggling act, but when done right, it can significantly enhance your video's visibility. Proper video SEO ensures your content is discoverable and can significantly increase your views. Now that you know how to increase your views, let's talk about monetization. Monetization is the process of converting your YouTube activity into earnings, and there are various ways to monetize your YouTube content. Let's start with the most common one: ad revenue. This is where you allow YouTube to run ads on your videos, and in return, you earn a share of the revenue. This method is particularly effective when you have a large number of views, as the income is directly proportional to the number of impressions the ads make. Next, we have sponsored videos. This is when a brand pays you to include their product or service in your video. Sponsored videos can be a lucrative source of income, especially if you have a dedicated and engaged audience that trusts your recommendations. Another way to monetize your YouTube content is through merchandise sales. If you have a solid fan base, you can create and sell your own merchandise. This can be anything from t-shirts and mugs to digital products like ebooks or online courses. All these methods sound great, right? But to access most of them, you'll need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows creators to earn money from ads, channel memberships, and more. However, to be eligible, your channel needs to meet certain requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, and you must comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. Lastly, remember that while these methods can bring in money, they each come with their own set of challenges and considerations. It's crucial to consider your audience, content type, and personal comfort with these monetization methods before diving in. Monetization is a great way to earn from your YouTube content, but remember, the key to successful monetization is a consistent increase in views. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We dove into the intriguing world of YouTube, highlighting key strategies to increase your video views and monetize your content. First, we explored the YouTube algorithm, a powerful tool that can make or break your channel's success. Understanding how this algorithm works is vital. It uses watch time, viewer engagement, and relevance to decide which videos to promote and which to hide. Next, we emphasize the importance of creating engaging content. Remember, content is king. It's not just about what you create, but how you present it. Keep your audience hooked, provide value, and they'll keep coming back for more. Then we touched on the significance of optimizing video SEO. This includes using relevant keywords, creating compelling titles and descriptions, and making use of tags. These steps ensure your videos are discoverable and reach the right audience. We also discussed various methods to monetize your YouTube videos. From ad revenue and channel memberships to merchandise shelf and super chat, there are numerous ways to turn your passion into profit. Remember, success on YouTube isn't achieved overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of creativity. But with these strategies under your belt, you're well on your way to creating a thriving YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in to Mkenya Yukei. Please hit the subscribe button and stay updated on more insightful content about mastering YouTube.